across the board. We got
all right, they're just repeating the same
there.
old garbage.
Not a lot.
Everything they're saying, I told everybody in the bottom line 7 hours ago. I don't know why they want to wait till the end of the day to tell you what's happening. That's just stupid. But hopefully everybody's been following me, following along. Everybody knows I dumped my portfolios earlier this week, Monday actually. Got rid of all my holdings, and then I went to inverse funds and doing pretty good. Hopefully, like I said in the bottom line, everybody's riding this roller coaster with me. It's been a pretty good day. I got 10 funds in the portfolio right now. All of them doing excellent. Now, I just want to say for clarification that none of this information I'm giving anybody has anything to do with long-term retirement accounts. Don't touch your IRAs, your 401ks, your 403bs, your SEPs, none of that. Don't. All this is for additional investments and additional trading. This has nothing to do with retirement accounts. I got to clarify that because I've been getting private messages all day. Been getting a bunch of them. I'll show you. I don't know how I'd show you on this. They're on my phone. Yeah, there they are. Been getting a lot of private messages. Here, let me see if I can show you on this camera. There. Been getting a lot of private messages about should I empty my 401k, and none of the information I'm giving anybody, you don't need to touch your retirement. This is just for your brokerage accounts, for trading, for swing trading, any investments outside of retirement. Don't ever touch your retirement accounts. You want them to sit there 20, 30, 40 years. You know, you don't need to be selling that stuff. Most of them are going to be an IRA or a 401k, 403bs and stuff are going to be in passive managed accounts. And most of those are going to be managed once a year. You know, this won't even affect them 5 years from now. When the coronavirus worries are over, all this will be gone. And your portfolios will be back up, and it'll be a blip in time. You won't even notice it. 20 years from now, if you're going to retire in 20 years from now, you ain't got nothing to worry about. There'll come along another crisis like the housing bubble and the drop of 2007, 2008, and the SARS epidemic, and now the coronavirus. These are all just blips in time. Don't worry about your retirement. Had to clarify that. Don't ever touch your retirement. If it's a managed account, let them manage it. It's what you're paying them for. And if you didn't know that you're paying them to manage these, well, you are. Because all the funds, mutual funds, everything in the IRAs and 401ks and stuff, they all have fees associated with them. Somebody's getting paid to do that. Whether they're passive or actively managed, doesn't matter. You're paying them. And I'm doing the same thing on my accounts. Not my retirement. Leave those alone. These are my brokerage accounts. But alright, day's about to end. I gotta find what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully this turns around, but I don't anticipate it. But right now, the current portfolio is doing great. And hopefully, y'all riding this roller coaster with me. I will see y'all tomorrow.